Alright, so I hooked up the microphone to my leg so you guys can kind of hear my knee. Just warning you guys, if you don't like weird noises, don't listen along. But this is something that happened and probably will go away soon. There's like liquid still in my leg, so it's kind of making this weird noise, which I described as it sounds like my stomach is gargling. And I explained it to my PT yesterday when I went into rehab. Just to see, what she thought. And she thought it was like referring to the crunchiness, which I do have in this leg. When sometimes I work out, it's like really crunchy, makes a weird noise. I'm going to do a couple exercises of the knee bends to see if you guys can hear it, if it's still doing it, just to see what you guys think, what this noise is. That was it. So all this is coming from my knee right now. Telling you all this is from my knee, not my stomach. So telling you guys what you think this sounds like.
From the sounds my knees make to the process of getting ready to shower, these are the things that if you've never had a surgery before, you may not know about. I want to make videos that show you everything about the recovery process, and if there's anything you'd like to see, feel free to let me know. Your feedback is always appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can keep up to date on my recovery process. And as always, thanks for watching. It's your girl Megan, out of here.